all what she got. So, hindi namin na-flex yung iba. Ito na yung part. So, she got three hair clips. Yan. And 4 keychains. So, hindi namin na-reveal yung part 2. So, ito na yung part 2. So, she got 3 hair clips, 4 keychains. Wait. Oh my God. Wait nga. Ay! 3 notebooks.
Lollipop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 lollipops. And wait.
Ay, 7.
And 3 pens.
The lollipop is 9.
10, 11. 11 yung lollipop. So, eto ano tawag dito? Nerds.
Di namin alam
So, nerds. Dalawang nerds. So, ito yung mga nakakalaman ng candy,
This is the...
acrylic markers. And this is the bracelets. 2 bracelets, 1 markers.
Dito ka na lang. This is the ganun.
Hindi ako baba.
Puzzles. 2 puzzles. 1 sticky note.
And this.
And 1 stress ball. And 4.
Fun.
Mamay pa ito.
Oo nga pa, may fun.
So, kailangan mo pa i-build yan for na ganyan.
This is chocolate.
Chocolates. And this is, yan, Toblerone.
Marshmallow.
You have 2.
Marshmallow.
4. 2 Toblerones. Sneaker. Ay, Hershey's.
This one is
2 Hershey's. M&M's. 1 M&M's. 2 gummy burgers. 1 lollipop. And tiny gummy bear. And 1 chocolate. And
ice cream na.
marshmallow. And what is this called?
I don't know. Snack.
Wait, nawawala yung gummy footlong.
This is jelly.
Yeah, jolly. So that's all what she got. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Wait.
Kaya nga, tsaka, ayan. Bye-bye ka na.
Bye, guys.
Don't forget about this. So bye-bye ka na.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, and 1 sunglasses. So bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye. Subscribe.